Okay, this is a 2019 Mazda CX3, and to reset the maintenance light, start the car up. Select I agree by pressing down on the button here, and use the scroll wheel to select applications, again by pressing down. Scroll down, select vehicle status monitor by pressing down again, select maintenance. Scroll down to oil change and select reset. If all of these are turned on, tire rotation and scheduled, you'll do the same thing just by selecting reset. Otherwise, if they are off, you can leave them off, or you can turn them on by just going to settings and turning this check mark off, and then you can turn it back on. Again, this would be the same procedure. Just go to reset, and that's it.